The Prevost luxury motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile living, engineered for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, craftsmanship, or performance. Built on one of the strongest bus chassis in the world, it offers unmatched stability and a remarkably smooth ride, even on long stretches of highway. The living area provides the perfect place to relax, complete with entertainment systems and beautifully designed furnishings. A spa-like bathroom adds a touch of hotel luxury, while the master suite offers a quiet, comfortable retreat with plenty of space to unwind. Combining modern technology with timeless design, the Prevost ensures convenience at every turn, from climate control and smart power systems to advanced safety features. For those seeking the ultimate blend of luxury and adventure, this motorhome transforms travel into an unforgettable lifestyle. This foundation sets the stage for a coach that feels more like a rolling luxury residence than an RV. Step inside, and every inch showcases meticulous attention to detail, handcrafted cabinetry, premium leather seating, polished surfaces, and elegant lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Designed for long journeys and extended stays, the Prevost features a gourmet kitchen equipped with high-end appliances, spacious countertops, and residential-style storage. The Concorde Centurion 1200 stands at the very top of the luxury motorhome world, a true rolling penthouse built for travelers who refuse to compromise. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space crafted with premium materials, polished surfaces, and elegant lighting that brings every detail to life. The living area features high-end furnishings, a designer kitchen with full residential appliances, and wide panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. This colossal flagship model combines German engineering excellence with five-star hotel comfort, creating an experience unlike anything else on the road. Built on a powerful Iveco or Mercedes chassis, the Centurion 1200 delivers exceptional stability and performance, effortlessly moving its massive structure with quiet confidence. Toward the rear, the Centurion offers one of the most luxurious bedroom suites in the motorhome industry, complete with a king-size bed, spacious wardrobe, and a spa-level bathroom with top-tier fixtures. Some configurations even include a built-in garage capable of carrying a small car, adding a new level of freedom and convenience. With advanced climate control, smart monitoring systems, and exceptional sound insulation, the Concorde Centurion 1200 delivers the perfect blend of power, comfort, and sophistication, making every journey feel like a first-class escape. Please subscribe my channel. The Faulkner Mobile Perfection is one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built, an ultra-premium rolling mansion designed for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, or technology. Paired with advanced suspension, top-tier insulation, and powerful engineering, the Perfection delivers an unbelievably smooth ride on highways across Europe and beyond. Inside, you'll find a stunning interior that rivals high-end apartments, elegant cabinetry, premium leather seating, a full gourmet kitchen, a spa-like bathroom, and a bedroom that feels like a luxury hotel suite. But the real showstopper is Faulkner's signature central garage, a hydraulic platform hidden beneath the living space that can carry a sports car. Yes, you can literally park a Porsche or Mini Cooper inside your motorhome. The 2026 Newell P50 is one of the most advanced and luxurious motorhomes ever built, a 45-foot masterpiece designed for travelers who want the absolute best in engineering, comfort, and style. The mid-entry design creates a seamless flow the moment you step inside, revealing an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. With 4 massive slide-outs, the living space opens into a wide, spacious layout filled with premium materials, handcrafted cabinetry, and high-end furnishings. The gourmet kitchen features residential-grade appliances, polished countertops, and efficient storage that transforms meal prep into a pleasure. Built on Newell's custom chassis, the P50 delivers unmatched stability, a powerful and smooth ride, and the kind of precision handling you rarely find in a coach of this size. The living area is equipped with state-of-the-art entertainment systems, elegant seating, and soft ambient lighting for a true luxury atmosphere. Toward the rear, the master suite offers complete tranquility, with a king-size bed, walk-in wardrobe, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring top-tier fixtures.